Hello and welcome to another episode of Techfanaticofficial, your honest guide to the Cryptoverse. Today I'm going to talk about a really cool project that's using multiple utilities as an NFT structure for different apps. And it's called Interactwith, so the name interaction coming from it. And I'm going to give you a brief overview because there's a lot of things you can actually do with this product. But it's basically a product that's helping businesses in Web2 and individuals who want to transition from they have a product in the Web2 space and they want to move to the Web3, a blockchain-based platform. They provide them with the utilities and tools they need. So they have plug and play solutions in the industry, especially for gaming, NFT, game developers to integrate blockchain technology and quickly adapt to the Web3 environment. I'm going to cover the tools as well that they have. It's pretty much focused on developing a Web3 powered user experience. And to get into this goal, they're focused on building partnership with many Web3 projects, game enthusiasts, gaming guilds, and also those Web2 games that are interested to come to Web3. So by doing that, they're helping businesses transition into the Web3 space, providing them with a plug and play set of tools and software development kits for developers to integrate the blockchain technology rather than building it from all up, providing gamified experience to the wallets with social features, and becoming like a leading provider of tools and services for integrating blockchain into gaming. So they have multiple products and services. One of them, and you can go to the website, they have everything. They have the product description, they have a white paper, they have a demo. So one of the products is Minter. Minter is basically a simple one-click service. It basically allows you to create NFTs for in-game items using a unique API that they have, and you can pay with the credit card on ramp, or that's a checkout system, and it's basically compatible with all EVM chains and also other chains like Near Protocol and Solana. So that's pretty much the Minter. The use case is, for example, for Minecraft, people who want to use an NFT for a dragon egg, it's basically making it easier for someone to use a digital asset and sell it in Web3 space, or they're just going to the journey of someone who has won a championship in Fortnite and is trying to use Minter to create an NFT for the rifle and wants to auction it, or Pokemon, same sort of thing, to monetize collection and earn money. So bringing Web2 and collectible updates to Web3, this is just going through, the integration, SDK, the architecture, which is beyond this video. The other product they have is the Web3 authentication. So it basically allows you to integrate and quickly use the wallet authorization without the need to install any modules as a Web2 to Web3 identity. So Web2, you have username and password. Web3, you just have the wallet and you can connect with MetaMask to a project. So user verification, I mean, you've probably done it for some projects. It's already existing, but this is, as I said, is an all-in-one package. So you don't need to go to 4 different products or companies to apply this sort of Web3 journey. But it's user verification, SSO for dApps or decentralized applications, and secure data access. Again, plug and play. And it's just going through the architecture again. And I'm not going to go through technical videos here. Another one is data syncer. So as a data syncer, you can synchronize apps between different databases and have that unique capability. So verification of game data, and game integration, and game in item tracking. And that's also the use case for the data syncer, going through the coding again, which I'm not going to go through. Then they have the wallet. The wallet is a comprehensive solution to manage different digital assets. And it's basically used for different blockchain networks. It has a social and gamified interface, making it a good product for onboarding Web2 users on their journey to Web3 for digital assets. You can use it for loyalty program. You can use it for gaming experience. You can use it for social experiences. And that's how it's going to be interact and work. Again, I'm not going to go through the whole demo about it. And because they have if you go to their white paper, they have all the API, all the tutorials, you can see everything, how it works. See, even this is a dashboard for you for example, you're a product manager at EA Sports for this project, and you're using Interact for different tools. You can see all the information, all the wallets, and everything you need for the plug and play. So as I said, they're not, for example, it's not like MetaMask for the wallet. I don't know, HyperSign for Web3 authentication, Chainlink, minting from another company. It's all in one place. And using Interact wallets, Interact products, Web2 company can have a smooth transition to Web3. They have a grant program for developers, which you can apply for, and the business program, marketing and community program, because they want to get as many people as possible to join their journey. So they have budget for marketing and business and development as a grant. Because this is a project, let's say, I would compare it to Morales, Ivan Antec, which I have high respect for. Similar sort of concept that they had a grant program, they're going on different apps and they have different software development kits. But this is more focused, I guess, suitable for NFT and games. That one is more also blockchain. So just wanted to give you a comparison of what sort of products and projects can be used. Now, as I said, the key point for this is the products and services will stimulate and engage people from Web2 to move to the Web3 and manage their assets in a decentralized fashion. They have demo as well, which I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but that's what I just said, that they have the minter, for example, and you can pay for it with card or you can pay for it with crypto. For example, this is an in-game skin for a game. Let's just say Counter-Strike for fun. You put the card detail, you make the purchase, and it goes to your wallet address. So very simple. And that's what we need now in Web2 to Web3 journey, because especially the situation with stable coins, there are some restrictions happening. So we need more easier and faster user onboarding. Now, next part that I'm interested to talk about is about the token utility and tokenomics. So Inter, $Inter, is the native token for the project. It's got multiple use cases, one being revenue conversion. So a percentage of the revenue from minting and transactions for NFTs will be converted to Inter to provide further liquidity and demand. So that's for buying back as well. Medium of exchange. So obviously for transactions like swapping NFTs and in-game items in the Interact wallet, you will be using Inter as the native token. It's going to be used as a payment method as well. And it gives you access control to premium features. So what you saw in the dashboard, if you want a more premium feature, targeted NFT drops, data acquisition, and campaigns, you will use Inter tokens. And all the tokens that's connected as a revenue conversion or payment method will be banned and removed from the circulation. So this is a deflationary token over a long period of time. And that's the market entry strategy. So, they want to have revenue generation from day one, have excellent customer support, and have a market entry strategy. So now you saw the utility. Going into the tokenomics, the valuation at the public round is $15 million. They have 1.62 million fundraise right now. And if you go to the tokenomics here, seed round is at a valuation of 9 million, 0.9, almost a cent. They've raised 350,000 and 6 months cliff with unlock over 16 months. So for 6 months, no unlock for seed. Private round is 12 million valuation at 1.2 cents, at 12 cents. And the supply on TG is only 5% unlock, 3 months cliff, and then they have daily vesting for 9 months. So that is the private round basically for this token. Public round, they have a public 20% unlock on the token generation event. Then they have daily vesting for 5 months. So as you can see, 0.15 is the token price. Token generation unlock is 20%. And then the rest of 20% on token generation event. And then monthly unlock around 16%. Very similar to Carbon, which I covered. And this one is valuation is a bit higher. It's in 15 million. But remember, this is also deflationary and burning mechanism. But as a obviously public participant in public sale, you have much higher chance to basically have an unlock. Very fair tokenomics here. 1.6 million total raise, and that's a hard cap, so it could be lower. Team and advisory, 12 months cliff, and then 24 months unlock. Marketing, 6 months cliff. Staking reward, 6 months cliff. And ecosystem development, 6 months cliff. And then they have 24, 24, and 36 months unlock. And then they've got treasury, 12 months cliff, and 36 months unlock. Liquidity, 20% TG and 20% per month. And initial market cap, excluding liquidity, obviously, is going to be 195,000. So around $200,000 is the initial market cap for the project. With the liquidity, I would say it would go up to maybe 300,000. Emission schedule, if you check on the first month, it's only 2% of the total supply. And 2%, so 1% of supply would be 150K. So 2% is around $300,000 for the token generation event component of it. And the month one, so after 1 month, it's gonna be increased by 1.5%. So you can see the unlock actually is pretty low for the token because they have cliffs. The total supply increase is not too bad. Around inflation rate of 3% per month, 3 to 4% per month. And that means you won't have much price dumpage because of the way the token is designed at this stage. So that's a summary of how the tokenomics will work for Interactwith. Very nice tokenomics and very nice initial market cap. Their goal is to have social wallet launch reaching 1K integrated apps and 1 million user base this year with the fundraising that they're doing. So that's part of the, I guess, roadmap agreement as well. Now, moving to the roadmap. Second half of 2022, they did the fundraising for seed round. They're incubated by Poolz, development of Minter, blockchain support, design partnership, private round of 480K also was secured. Wallet development, dApp integration, 5K user base, blockchain support, and public round is for this first half of 2023. So right now it's all happening. Second half of 2023, they have the dApp integration for 400,000 applications, user reach of 220,000, partnership with game studios, blockchain support, and Asia focus. 2024, they're going to have 1K app integration, user reach of 200K, European focus, blockchain support with 8 blockchain. And then finally, end of next year, they're going to reach millions of users is what they are planning in the roadmap. So pretty ambitious, but quite possible with this sort of product that they have. So moving from the roadmap, looking at the partnerships that they have built, they have Stripe payment for partnership because they want to have on-ramp as, you know, a solution. They have Graph. So Graph, you probably have seen that Graph has done very well in the last few months with the AI hype. But basically, they're like an indexing blockchain. NFT trade, you've seen it in my previous videos. It's an NFT sort of marketplace platform. Ava Labs is the Avalanche Labs. OKX, one of the most famous centralized exchanges with really good reputation. Bioeconomy is basically a tool that allows movement of token from one chain to another with minimized gas fee and minimized slippage. So that's a very helpful partnership that they have to be integrated across multiple chains. As is this the product to bring Web2 to Web3, Bioeconomy would be a very integrated partner. Poolz Ventures is a VC that invested, VC arm of Poolz Launchpad that invested in the seed round. Gifto is a payment and gift platform on blockchain. Unilend is, as per name saying, is more for lending platform, and ChainEdge is for support between multiple chains that they're going. So they have all the necessary top-tier partnerships that they need for a product that's trying to enable Web2 users to move to Web3. And the team You can see them, Adam is the CEO, you can see them here and there, but the team for now is remaining publicly anonymous until the project is launching. So that's just something that I would like to let you know about. Now, in terms of social media, they have been growing aggressively. So if you go to their Twitter, it's now 71,000. When I start, and it's genuine, see, you can see with the sort of interaction of people that most of the followers they have is genuine. And also you can see a lot of people I know are following them. So that's a good sign. In the sense of the Telegram as well, they have been actively working on the Telegram, and they have 41,000 subscribers in the announcement channel, and I think around 20,000 in the public channel. So they have focused on marketing heavily and users to use the testing version of the product. And finally, I would like to cover the Launchpad and launch date. So first, let's talk about the Launchpad. The project is going to be launching on 4 Launchpads, one being Poolz, obviously, as they are the main partner. They're going to be launching on Enjinstarter. They're going to be launching on Bullperks. They're going to be launching on GamesPad. So I don't cover much about the Bullperks and GamesPad. You can do your own research. Obviously, you can go to Bullperks, website and see how they will help you participate, the tokens and all that. But in terms of Poolz and Enjinstarter, I'll cover them quickly. So for Poolz, what you need to do is you go to Poolz Finance. The IDO starts in 6 days and 10 hours. So today is 12. Let's say 6 days from now is 18th. So 18th of March is the IDO on Poolz Ventures, Poolz Launchpad. To participate, you have to be on BNB chain. Claim is also on BNB chain. So it's all on BNB. What you need to do is join whitelist. I haven't connected my wallet. I've already done it. Make sure you join. First of all, you need to stake 250 or more Poolz token. After you stake it, so 250 plus Poolz token, stake it on the platform, join whitelist here, sign the transaction that makes you eligible for the partnership and participation in the IDO for Poolz. Now, in terms of Enjinstarter, the IDO is happening sooner. IDO is happening on the 15th of March, which is in 3 days. First thing you need to do is, in 4 days. The first thing you need to do is register your interest. So for register interest period, it starts from 7th of March up until today. And that's why I made this video today, because if you are an Enjinstarter investor, you should know that the steps to do participation before was do KYC, and then go to the staking of, staking for Enjinstarter, staking Enjinstarter. So, stake.enjinstarter, you go to their website, stake your Enjinstarter tokens, and once you stake in one of the pools, you become eligible to participate here as well, depending on the tiers that they have. So you go to the staking website, and then based on the staking platform, your allocation is determined. And then 3 days before, we used to have the snapshot, right? But now it's changed. You need to, again, my wallet is not connected, but by this date, you need to press register interest. If you don't press register interest, you will not get a guaranteed allocation. You press register interest, similar to Poolz. You press register interest, you sign the transaction, you KYC, you have some tokens, you're all good to go. You will receive your allocation amount for the IDO, and it basically shows you how much you can participate. Now, the project is planning to do the token generation event on the 19th of March, so in a week from now. And it's going to be listing on a few exchanges. First, it's going to be on PancakeSwap, obviously, as it's a Binance chain project, but also it's in talk with many centralized exchanges, which of course I cannot disclose, but rest assured the CEO is working really hard for that. So I'm very interested in the project because I'm less bullish now on gaming projects and more interested in projects that are more in utility based. So this is something I would be interested to explore more. Personally would invest, but please do your own research. I cannot give you financial advice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure you like the video, you subscribe to my channel, you comment if you have any questions, and I always go and talk to the CEO and come back with feedback. And make sure you share it with everyone as well. If you have any more questions about the IDO and participation, of course, feel free to contact me as well. And I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you.